kababayan, gumanda na po ang Pasig River. Ito na po. Ayan. Parang probinsya to. A UFO restaurant right there. Ay, automatic na, nag-go-on na yun. Oo. Tapos kung gusto mo
pickpocketers.
Just to explain, because these pickpockets, they always pretend that they're tourists. So you can stop them immediately. They kind of try to mix in with the crowd, and then they will try to bump into you, get close to you, and you know, they need 1-2 seconds.
Pa siyang
Kaya may time.
area kine-edit pa niya
Kine-edit
lahat.
Sili kasi
Nagsisimula lang siya kaya.
Main cultural didn't survive the following communist regime. It's not that the communists were specifically targeted, but it's fact that the communists were many other world things was also looking quite careless when it came to preserving historical landmarks, especially when it came to getting a new because basically here, there where the road was going.
para sa United States Embassy in Bratislava. Pagod yung mga ano,
Kasi walking dapat 1 hour lang.
pagod yung mga senyora.
Sometimes they also refer to it as the Archbishop. It's the same thing. It's 3 months. Latin means something. The main Archbishop. This was built for the main Archbishop of the whole this person. А это чтобы на память. Wheelchair, let me just ask because I will check. Now you can actually walk. We were just just like that. Through the walls. There is just after 2 minutes. There is this little bridge that connects this side of the village and the other side.
No, you got it.
Ganda. Opo kayo dyan para dapat nakunan kayong litrato kanina eh. Oo. Mga kababayan, dito pa kami sa Pasig River at hindi ko malaman kung
Pasig River ng Europe.
kikita na namin ang Pandakan. Ayun. Ganda ng ano, parang probinsya to. Saan na tayo? Slovakia? Andito kami ngayon sa Slovakia. Nagta-travel pa papuntang Bratislava.
No.
Bratislava.
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 Lava of Slovakia.
Ayun yung Pandakan Refinery. Ayun. Okay. Okay, later. The gate is now closing. So the water will come in. That gate will be open.
Our captain said these idiots didn't come in far enough. It was slow. Should I yell that at him?
I know.
I'll stand behind you and yell it.
You don't yell at the Italian captain. They're bad-tempered, man.
Especially if they've been drinking.
They've been drinking, yeah. The Italian wine.
Very special, very unique. Quite an operation. Yes. I believe they're running another boat. Yes, the stuff that we are.
It's nice.
That's what it is. Another little one over there. Oh, you don't really see it. I'm hiding behind it. We have an appointment.
They seem to be higher than us. The one on the upper deck. Yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit. Well, where's the captain? Where's the driver?
He's up there.
Drinking. That's it. He'll say, it's gonna take 40 minutes, so let me drink.
You know
Take a
why
swig.
he didn't come over
40
here?
minutes, 40 minutes.
He didn't come over here close enough because they knew there was a bunch of Americans on this.
Oh, yeah,
boat.
yeah, yeah.
I would have spit on him.
Oh, no. Be careful, they might jump ship. Come over to our side.
I'm surprised there's not any Italian girls on the boat.
I know, no one in bikini. Huh?
Sunning themselves with no tops on.
Oh, you should have come to the thermal baths.
Yeah.
There were, I mean, it's all young people over there. And I was surprised. We were the only ones who's like very conservative in the dress. So they were wearing two-piece with a teeny weeny. And there was this.
Tell me about it.
Oh,
Hindi niya na type
yeah, ito na.
There you go.
Mamaya tayo.
Viva!
Vivaldi. Vivaldi, mukhang Italian. This is an Italian ship. Oh.
Viva NO1.
Iba yung radar niya yun. Sa harap. They have another ship. Bumati ka sa ating mga kamag-anak,
siya.
kababayan.
Naka-live ba yan?
Live to.
Oo.
Meta AI.
Oh, you have 2 boats?
Yeah, yan ang kasalubong natin. Downriver sila.
Ang ganda, no?
Kasi nung last time tayo, gabi.
Sige na. Oh. So we're slowly moving up. Well, it's quite fast. Huh? It's maybe a foot a minute. Parang 1 foot per minute, eh, oh. That's filling up real fast. They say the whole process takes 40 minutes in and out.
Pati naman ang bilis ng pagkaakyat.
Yeah, ang bilis nga yun.
Tapos ka-level na natin ng tubig doon.
Yeah.
Akala ko may papasok na tubig dito galing doon sa kabila.
Ay, may butas. Ay, siya ililibel
Doon.
tayo doon sa taas.
Doon galing yung tubig, eh.
Oo.
Tapos i-open na yung gate mamaya.
Ay, yung pagbawas ng mga. Ano ba?
Hindi, ibabawasan. Basta under na tayo.
Hindi, yung kanina.
Hindi, bubuksan lang yung pinto
At
niya. Para mapuno to.
Anong nangyari, sinaran muna to, tapos in-empty to, tapos pumasok
Kasi
tayo.
mababa tayo.
Oo, dahil mababa. Pumasok tayo, tapos pipilap na yun tayo.
Siguro sa ilalim ng lugar.
Tapos, bubuksan lahat yan, go through all the way, sasara na naman.
Ang bilis ng pagkaakyat.
Ang bilis, oh. Mas matagal yung emptying, eh.
Matagal ang empty.
Yan yung kakitid ang lock. So the water is being filled up right there. And slowly we are rising.
Fairy tale to be real. Nice views from there, of course. It's not expensive. The entrance is just underneath the tower. This is something for those of you who are feeling very energetic. All right, but now, ladies and gentlemen, we will take this street to the main square. So please follow me to this square.
Mamaya magkukuha na tayo mga na-miss natin.
Ilalak.
Andito yung mga kamag-anakan natin na kompleto tayo ngayon. Nagre-relax.
Magandang bonding time.
Ayun, magandang bonding time.
Maraming salamat sa pagkuha mo ng picture.
Ang video, panoorin nyo to sa vlog ko, ha.
Subscribe. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Subscribe. Ang pangalan,
meron ka bang vlog na?
Lolo ko na ito.
Ha?
Lolo ko na ito.
Lolo ko na.
Yun, subscribe kayo.
Meron talaga.
Public na, public na.
Forward mo yung para hindi ko malimutan.
natin.
Saka nandito kayo.
And
Hindi,
subscribe.
kasi para
Click.
ma-ano ko kay Nacelia at makikita nila. yun.
Ayan.
Oo.
Click on the bell button and subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
We are now on the lock. What country? Bavaria?
Slovakia.
Slovakia.
Bratislava.
Nagpapass through kami sa lock. Tataas ang level namin para umabot yung barko doon. Tataas ang level. Yeah. This is called what we call a lock.
Araw-araw tayo ng alpad. Dala ko kung ano, lagi ako kakalimutan.
Sakay kami ngayon sa tinatawag na Viking Longship. ano to, mga 400 meters ang haba. Ayan, ang deck nito may mga nag-exercise na. Sa umaga may nag-exercise.
Kala ko,
Nag-exercise na sila. Ito yung mga kamag-anak natin. Si Lita, si ano, nag-exercise na. Ayan.
Diyan sila nag-ano ng mga ano.
Ayan.
yan pala ang
Nag-go-grow sila.
kanilang ano.
Oo.
Yeah.
Buti.
Mamaya pwede tayo maglaro.
Golf.
Dito kami maglaro. Pwede tayo mag-golf.
Oh yeah. Golf. Oh, kamusta kayo sa ano? Click and subscribe. Si Nars.
Nasa ano kami? Nasa patio? Sa taas?
Oh, nasa deck kami ng
Deck
ano.
ng,
Pang herbs.
oo.
Yeah.
This is where they get the ano. This is
That's where they get
regular.
the herbs from to
Fresh.
our dinner, di ba? Yung mga dinner natin nandiyan, rosemary, lahat ng herbs. Andito yung mga fresh herbs natin, no?
Lavender, oh. Lavender.
Dito sila kumukuha.
Yeah.
Dito sila kumukuha ng herbs panluto sa dinner namin.
Nilagay sa ating
Lavender.
Yeah. Di ba?
Rosemary. Pati lavender pala.
Ito, rosemary.
Mint. Ito, thyme. Thyme. Ano ba ito? Ang bango. Ibang klase.
Time din na. Time.
Ano lang
Time.
yan eh. Isang ganito.
Ito ano to?
Sage at
Sage? Ay,
Ito, rosemary.
ano yun natin? Amuyin natin.
Ay, ang bango. Iba talaga, no?
Ay, iba talaga yung herbs. Oo, iba.
fresh.
Press na press. Sinasawag yan sa pagkain namin.
Sa soup. Sa
Yeah,
soup.
sa mga sopas, sa mga sa steak.
Noon,
Sa steak.
merong tanim na ganoon. Tapos nilagay sa chicken, yung baked chicken.
Ay, oo.
Inaano
Pang
talaga,
lang,
kino-cover yung
Yeah.
yung ano, rosemary.
Yeah, pati yung chicken paprika natin, no? May rosemary.
Hindi na kayo naglakad?
O, lalakad tayo. Yan ko kaya to sa ano? Sa
Alle 18 no sector.
Ayan. Maganda rin ito. Laki ng city center. Oh. This looks like an oversized Walnut Creek. Oh, nice.
If you'd like to try some local snacks, we have these so-called Bratislava rolls, which look kind of like that package without the hands. Careful, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like there's a car passing also in the back. Some cars have a special permission to drive here.
That's a government vehicle? Environmental?
Some of them are government, but yes, so these are the traditional Bratislava rolls. They're even trademarked, Bratislava rolls. We've been eating them for many centuries. They are kind of sweet, but not super sweet. There's a filling inside with nuts or with poppy seeds, which is very popular bakery product in Bratislava. Some other souvenirs that we're going to see in restaurants. Good job. This shop has a sign that says Pressburg Bagel. You may know this sign.
Gotta have an happy hour here. Got to have an happy hour. What time is it? 4 o'clock.
Areas like these. Our traditional national food is visible here. It's a simple dish. It's basically potato dumplings with melted
Cheap.
topped with some roasted bacon on it. That's our national traditional food.
Haluski. Haluski.
It's like a specialty from Slovakia. Also with pork. It's very
Hey. Hi. Good cobblestone.
Yes, this is going to mention. Past.
Mucho.
This is actually related to the aristocracy of the golden age of Bratislava. The aristocratic families started moving to the city, building their residences here. Of course, they were used to living a luxurious lifestyle.
Yeah.
But this is an interesting building in a way, although it's not really important historically, even that old. This building is from 1904. It was built as a residential building. Still, there are some flats up there. But what's kind of interesting, and this ground floor, it used to be a pharmacy, drugstore. And just above here, there are 3 signs in 3 different languages, which basically tell us that it's a drugstore. The sign on the right is in German, the sign in the middle is Hungarian. This is to show us how things were in Bratislava before, like until Czechoslovakia, even a little after. Basically, not only taking care of the country for 40 years, but also giving birth to 16 children in about 20 years. So that's Maria Teresa. Quite a respectable woman. So yes, if you'd like to go inside, we'll be nice.
Patay, Starbucks. Talagang conducive to walking. Ang Europa, conducive to walking. Pero ang napansin ko lang, dahil ko konti ang mataba, kukunti mataba, walang masyadong tutulak ng wheelchair.
Basically, these are all independent separate lines. They share just also to give you an example, to say hello in our language, we say good day. That means, so we say dobry dzień.
Dobry dzień.
Dobry dzień, good day. Or hello.
Dobry dzień.
To say it in Czech, dobry den.
Dobry den.
In Polish, dzień dobry. So it's all and that's just with speaking all of this language. It's kind of interesting that they started building the Philharmonics in 1912 when we were part of Austro-Hungarian Empire. But by the time they then the First World War started, and so the construction was stopped for a while, and then they all finished in 1919. By which point there was a new political situation in Europe, new country, Czechoslovakia. So they also had to adjust their program and schedule a little bit. Sometimes you can hear them rehearse inside, but not today. So anyways, that's for classical music. The Slovak Philharmonic is one of the main exports from Slovakia. They often perform abroad. They're very highly respected. They often perform, especially in Vienna or Austria, where probably make better money because the economy there is better. Anyway, I also wanted to mention one more thing. As for our size, the Bratislava, I often say, we cannot compare to cities like Vienna or Prague or Budapest even. They're much larger, very beautiful cities. I like each one very much. They are much more crowded too, which you don't really get here so much. Bratislava is still, so to say, under the radar a little bit, which is not a bad thing. This is roughly about 10% of all of Slovakia.
Ano yun ang pinanggalingan?
Dito na, dito.
Yan ang pinanggalingan namin doon sa mababaw doon. So tumaas tayo. As you can see, merong mga spectator tayo na nagwa-watch ng changing the level of the water lock. Ayun, dun sa pinanggalingan natin dun sa Danube river. Ayun yung kabilang barko na kasabay natin. Hindi pala tayo sila papunta ng downstream, papunta pa sila upstream. Pareho natin. Okay. Na-interesan ba kayo sa locks? Ito ang locks.
Na-amaze ako.
Amaze ka sa ano, no? Pasig River, wala namang ganyan. Ito yung mga nag-golf nating mga
Lagyan mo ng pressure pero magkamay.
si Arnold Palmer tsaka si ano.
Okay lang, tingnan mo, hindi lumampas.
As the captain of the ship, taking care of the locks. He has the control. Everything good, sir?
Everything's good.
So it takes 40 minutes?
Couldn't be better.
Couldn't be better. You mind me taking your video?
No, it's
fine,
It's fine.
So it takes 40 minutes to
Yeah,
up and down?
depends.
Yeah,
Depends on
okay.
the load. Yeah.
I see, okay.
Right, so they had to crazy.
Potom sa chodte obliecť do uniformy, bude Wilhelmstur. 10-15, aby ste už boli tu. No.
Yeah, it was wonderful. Yeah, so in order to, it's like, lower it.
So you are the navigator?
Yes.
Including the captain. And the captain is your supervisor.
Yes,
All right.
he only gives orders. You know, he's too lazy to sleep.
So you were responsible for just 2 inches or 3 inches gap in the ship. I was amazed. It was
Yeah.
like very precise.
Yes.
Very precise. She's the captain. Hello, captain.
Hello, sir.
Hi. Is it complicated to navigate through the channel? Is it complicated?
No,
Easy.
not complicated. This is all many years practice.
Ah, okay. So you think you can captain an aircraft carrier?
No.
No, not yet. Soon.
Yeah.
And if you were coming the other way, actually,
Kinausap ko yung kapitan
Ano sabi?
sa navigation. Easy lang daw to.
3 hours pa.
Easy lang daw.
It's easy.
Mabilis tatakbo.
They use computer.
Ang tubig nasa ilalim natin.
Kapantay natin yung ground.
Papantayan.
Kasi mataas tayo eh.
Ah.
Ano to eh? Ito yung pinakatap natin.
Street level to.
Ayun, mga building na.
So that must be the level of the water now. Pagkapantay na. So, kasi pag dock natin, kasi pantay din natin yan.
Ano yung sa kabila o yung mga parating naman?
Mas mata